you should pray to God that our school will be open soon, we think. Okay, so today again I will teach you that English grammar. Okay, I will teach you English grammar. Ayush, what are you telling? What are you writing? Please write fast. Happy New Year. Please open that chapter number 20. Chapter number 20, simple past tense. For you, syllabus of English means for which one? You will get that syllabus. We'll give. But whatever we are teaching, please read. Okay? Whatever we are teaching, please read that. And whatever we are not teaching, please don't read. For the text and grammar, all these are in the syllabus, but PT2 and also that term 2 will tell. Okay? So, simple past tense. Simple past tense. Please read the tense very carefully, because if you read the tense, only you can write very good sentence. And English, tense is very important. First, before the vacation, I have told you the two tenses, that simple present and present continuous. Simple present, I have just told that universal truth and also everyday work. Universal truth or eternal truth and everyday work. Which one? Like the sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west, earth revolves around the sun, and also the sun, you know that present continuous tense, whatever we are doing now, just I am teaching, you are listening, I am writing, you are also writing, so that tense is called present continuous tense. Some work is going on. So, verb form, you know that? I go, if I am telling I read, you read, only he reads. And here, that present continuous tense, I am going, you are going, he is going. So, am is are plus ing, that is present continuous tense. You have already read these two chapters. If you are having any problem this chapter, you can tell me, I will revise for you. Today, I will tell you simple past tense. Simple past tense, page number 52. Page number 52. Open your book. But besides that, you should open your copy. I will tell what is simple past tense. Whatever we are doing, that I just told about the tense, actions and time. Action happened in the past. Action took place or action happened in the past. Action happened in the past. Action happened in the past. Past means yesterday, last year, last day, the previous day. Some term you should remember. Okay, some term you should remember. Okay, action happened in the past. Like the yesterday, what happened? Yesterday, last day, last, previous day, or 3 days ago. All these are past. Whenever we are telling you some past action, we are telling like this. So these things, these words you should remember. And also some form. I am just telling some things. You should read from your book. So many words are there. Past, past participle, present, past and past participle. So you should know only some words to know that. Like this, past, present and past I am telling. Please remember and know that. Like this, here in your book, give, gave, go, went, eat, ate, come, came, come, came, keep, kept, write, wrote, write, wrote, write, wrote. But read, R-E-A-D, read, its spelling is same, but pronunciation is read. We should tell read, okay? Anushree, why are you not muting your microphone? Aditi Singh, Anushree Das, Arindam Ghosh, Ayush Mondal, Chaudhuri Afroz Hossain, Daksha, Diksha, Dibyanka. Okay. So please read all these things. Present these things, that is past. Give, gave, go, went, eat, ate, come, came, keep, kept, write, wrote, read, read, fall, fail. F-E-L-L, fall, fail. Make, make, made, make, made, know, knew, know, K-N-E-W, knew. Next, also we can tell, give, I am just rubbing that. Think, thought, think, thought. I am telling, no, tell, told. Tell, told. This is the past tense. Past tense I have just told. Please remember, some action happened in the past. Past means obviously we should remember that yesterday, last day, last year, previous day. Previous day, P-R-E-V-I-O-U-S, previous day, or ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 1 day ago. Ago means also back. Something we are just telling back. So that is called also the past. Come, came, keep, kept, write, wrote, read, read, fall, fail, make, made, know, knew. All these are past tense. So anybody, if you are having any problem, please tell me. So many words are there. I have given only 10 or 15 words. Like come, came, tell, to, enjoy, enjoyed, enjoy, enjoyed. Okay, so many things are there. So this is called past tense. And verb we are changing like this. Enjoy, enjoyed. So here in your book they are telling that I gave the correct answer. Teacher asked me. I am asking you. A-S-K. Ask. Past tense is asked. Okay. So it is asked. So teacher asked me a difficult question. I gave the correct answer. Teacher felt happy. So feel felt. Fall fell, but feel felt. Please remember all those things. Please remember these things. Feel felt. So these things, if you remember, only first sentence, like this, in some cases, past tense is formed by adding ed. Other some cases, gave, and feel, felt. Like this. So chapter exercise number B, we can just do it. We enjoyed the picnic very much. Here also, we should add ed to form simple past tense. I'm just rubbing this. Recording also you can get. So exercise number B, you can add ed and you can do that simple past tense. But please remember, action happened in the past. Yesterday we went to Kolkata. Yesterday it was 1st January. Yesterday we enjoyed the party. Okay. 3 days back I completed my homework. Action is completed. 3 days back I completed my homework. So like this, number we enjoyed. Number B, number 1, we enjoyed. Number 2, mother filled the flags. Filled. In your book you should do. Page number 52. Page number 52. The children visited the zoo last week. Obviously, they have mentioned the past tense, past time. Number 3, the children visited. We have just added ed. Number 4, the teacher ordered children to stand in a queue. Ordered. O-R-D-E-R-E-D. Number 5, I stayed with my grandparents for 2 days. I stayed. Number 6, we waited for you for 15 minutes. We waited. Number 7, the dog barked loudly. B-A-R-K-E-D. Number 8, Sunil kicked the ball into goal. K-I-C-K-E-D. Kicked. And number 9, the children opened their books and we knocked at the door twice. Here number 1 and 10, 9 and 10 I will write. Opened. Number 9, opened. Number 10, we knocked. K-N-O-C-K-E-D. Knocked. Opened the door and knocked the door. Okay, open their books and knock that. So, if you are having any problem, please tell me. Okay. And one thing, just I will tell this tense, next half I will do next day, and again I will revise. Please remember simple present tense, universal truth. When sun rises in the, that will not change. Verb form, I, do, I read, only S and ES, third person singular number we can add. Next, present continuous tense, what we are doing, that is present continuous tense. I am talking, you are listening. I am writing, you are writing. So, am is are plus ing. Today I have taught you the simple past tense. Action happened in the past. Action happened in the past. Past means yesterday, last day, previous day, and also 3 days back here. Okay. So some verb I have given to you. Please read all these things. Again, you can do this ed. We can, if we are adding ed, that is also some word present form we are making past tense. Okay. Please read once. Next day again I will tell. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Anybody, please? Right? And those who are present, please write P. Abhimanyu, Aditi, Oishi, Anusri, Afroz, Ayush, Daksha, Dibyanka. Only 11 people, 10 people are there. And why are you giving Arindam Ghosh? Please, beta, don't give like this. I know that. Repeat. For what? Which one, beta? Repeat which one? Dibyanka, again I will revise the next day, but which one will I repeat? I will type very fast. B answer, number B. B, one answer. I have just told page number 52. B1, we enjoyed. Number 2, mother field, F-I-L-L-E-D field. Number 3, children visited. Number 4, the teacher ordered. Number 5, stayed. Number 6, waited. Number 7, barked. Number 8, kicked. Number 9, opened. Number 10, knocked. I have already here written. Okay, beta. Then thank you. Have a nice day. Again next day I will tell about simple past tense. Okay, thank you.